Hello, and I'm Ngozi Mary. You can call me Mary. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share this video. And if you have any questions about meta advertising, feel free to put it in the comment section, and I will answer immediately as soon as possible. And today's topic is self-diversification in the moving world, and through the eyes of an advertiser, through the eyes of advertising, through the eyes of businesses. Right. So, for example, when you scroll on Facebook or Instagram, you sometimes see a self-diversified profile, and you don't see the person's face. Maybe you see AI-generated picture, right? So I know a singer. She has about 7 million followers, and she has never shown her picture on social media or online for that matter. And she has huge following. She has an amazing voice, which means she has a very good product, and she doesn't want to share her real picture. So self-diversification is a way of someone using a new technology, AI, for example, to show themselves instead of using the real self, the real picture. They use a picture. They use an anime, for example, or for example, when you go to metaverse, you can create an avatar of who you want to be, who you feel you like to be, or who you know you are. Exactly. So this culture of self-diversification is taking the world by storm, and it is amazing. I honestly love it, and I'm celebrating it every single day. So, and thanks to having AI built into so many tools that we use these days, it's mind-blowing what we can do with AI. I have not actually joined I haven't started writing copies using AI. I prefer to write in my own voice how I would sound and be human. So let's wait for a time when we will be able to write something that sounds like an individual. Then at that time, I will be able to love to use AI to write. Then, so in this video today, I want to really touch on self-diversification. You see, a lot of businesses, not many businesses, have noticed that they have to be culturally diversified to reach new audience. So I went on Google, I did some research, and I found out that the number of businesses using culturally diversified creatives, pictures and videos, or putting culturally diversified people in their ad is few, right? Very, very few. And most of them are the huge conglomerate companies. And then I'm asking myself, where is everyone else? Where are the other brands, the powerful brands, the big brands? Where are they when they run their ads? What exactly are their objectives in terms of being able to bring in people from all different backgrounds into their service, their products, right? So, or making those people who are already using their service and their products feel heard, feel supported, feel appreciated. So you see, when a business is running culturally diversified ads, it actually says a lot. It says that, oh, they actually are listening in the new movement going on right now, right? So the use of AI is actually helping so many brands get to this level of self-diversification culture, right? if, for example, an individual identifies himself or herself as no race, we all have to, appreciate that, because that's the identity. That's what the person wants to be seen as. So it's very, 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 very useful, very important, very impactful for businesses to listen in on self-diversification, this new culture going in, and it's not going to stop. It's going to grow and grow and grow, because the way a person sees himself is exactly the way a person will relate to your ads, to your ad campaigns, to your advertising, right? If someone sees himself as sophisticated, then they look at your ad from that angle. If someone sees themselves as a minimalist, they look at your ad from that angle. If someone sees themselves as whatever they see themselves as, then that's how they look at our ads. You see? So what am I saying today? What I'm saying is that AI can help so many businesses reach, incorporate, support culturally diversified communities, right? These days, I talk about cultural diversification on my posts. Like, for example, on my LinkedIn post, I share culturally diversified posts, and I put more insights on that, right? Then why am I able to do that? Because I'm using AI, I'm using artificial intelligence. I go online and I create my posts. There's one post I just made this week on LinkedIn and my Facebook, and the picture was culturally diversified picture, and AI helped me to generate that picture so that it's mine. It's because I'm an advertiser. So it's very, very, very important to use your own original stuff, because I'm creating ads for businesses. So I will not go and start using picture I got from Google to create ads. Definitely not. It's unprofessional. So AI is honestly helping me and many, many, many other businesses to be more creative, to be more original, actually, and to speak to this new audience, this brand new audience, this new people, these new communities who are identifying themselves differently from many or from most people. So in cultural diversification, it helps businesses in many ways. And one way is to expand. One way is expansion. It helps the business to reach new audience. Everybody's looking for new audience all the time. Every business must reach new audience all the time. Then it helps to reach new audience, and so many other advantages, right? One day I would like to make a video and speak to people who identify themselves as culturally diversified, to hear what their thinking process, to actually, quiz them and talk to them and hear them out and understand what it is that's going on in their brains or in their minds. So it is very important that we stay on top of trends, we stay on top of changing trends and see what is happening in the world, and take advantage of that when we run our ads. Take advantage of new things, new trends, new artificial intelligence, take advantage of all of those things to make sure that we build a very sustainable business. Because one thing I really, really love about advertising is that it solves real life problems. It's not just about running ads and making money, or running ads and bringing in clients and making money. No, it's also about actually those people's, their problems actually being solved. Let the world problem that problem they're buying, that that solution they're buying, it solves their problem. That's the purpose of advertising. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section as well, and I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you, and talk to you soon.